Emirates.
Emirates,
Emirates.
Emirates,
Qatar Airways.
Qatar Airways,
Qatar Airways.
Qatar Airways,
Singapore Airlines.
Singapore Airlines,
Singapore Airlines.
Singapore Airlines,
Lufthansa.
Lufthansa,
Lufthansa.
Lufthansa,
British Airways.
British Airways,
British Airways.
British Airways,
Air France.
Air France,
Air France.
Air France,
KLM Royal Dutch Airlines.
KLM Royal Dutch Airlines,
KLM Royal Dutch Airlines.
KLM Royal Dutch Airlines,
Turkish Airlines.
Turkish Airlines,
Turkish Airlines.
Turkish Airlines,
Cathay Pacific.
Cathay Pacific,
Cathay Pacific.
Cathay Pacific,
Etihad Airways.
Etihad Airways,
Etihad Airways.
Etihad Airways,
American Airlines.
American Airlines,
American Airlines.
American Airlines,
Delta Airlines.
Delta Airlines,
Delta Airlines.
Delta Airlines,
United Airlines.
United Airlines,
United Airlines.
United Airlines,
Southwest Airlines.
Southwest Airlines,
Southwest Airlines.
Southwest Airlines,
Air Canada.
Air Canada,
Air Canada.
Air Canada,
Japan Airlines.
Japan Airlines,
Japan Airlines.
Japan Airlines,
All Nippon Airways.
All Nippon Airways,
All Nippon Airways.
All Nippon Airways,
Qantas.
Qantas,
Qantas.
Qantas,
Indigo.
Indigo,
Indigo.
Indigo,
Air India.
Air India,
Air India.
Air India,
Thai Airways.
Thai Airways,
Thai Airways.
Thai Airways,
Malaysia Airlines.
Malaysia Airlines,
Malaysia Airlines.
Malaysia Airlines,
Garuda Indonesia.
Garuda, Indonesia.
Garuda, Indonesia.
Garuda, Indonesia.
Philippine Airlines.
Philippine Airlines.
Philippine Airlines.
Philippine Airlines.
Korean Air.
Korean Air.
Korean Air.
Korean Air.
China Southern Airlines.
China Southern Airlines.
China Southern Airlines.
China Southern Airlines.
China Eastern Airlines.
China Eastern Airlines.
China Eastern Airlines.
China Eastern Airlines.
Finnair.
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 Swiss International Airlines.
Swiss International Airlines.
Swiss International Airlines.
Swiss International Airlines.
Austrian Airlines.
Austrian Airlines.
Austrian Airlines.
Austrian Airlines.
Great job! You have learned the names of popular airlines in English. Watch again and repeat the names to practice your pronunciation. Try to remember them and say the names out loud. Learning new vocabulary helps improve your English skills. See you in the next lesson.